Alright, so today we had a massive day today. If you saw the last video, then you would know that yesterday was the worst day I've ever had. Down, blew an account, and then continued trading for some reason and lost $300 more on the second account that I got. Vowed to never do that again. Today we bounced back. You can see a almost $400 loss. Today we made $1,900 today. I think. I guess we only made $1,600. Now that is over half of the profit target, so I do have to make a little bit extra money now, but I don't mind that because I don't mind it because we're positive now. Back in business. Let's go over the trades. All right. So I was on the charts like all day today. Constant. I was being super patient, looking for only an A+ setup. First trade of the day we had is this one. We had this is market open. We had some large rejection right here, so as soon as it broke through this one, we sold. We shorted after it broke through this. It went down. I caught a retrace. I don't know where I caught the retrace from though. There was some level. There's a level that I was waiting for it to retrace back into, which it did, and now I lost my spot. Hold on. All right, then this is this is 9 a.m. which that brought me back to positive on the account balance. That was like a $400 trade. Let's see, it was basically a 1-to-1 trade, and I sold here. I didn't feel comfortable. in the trade. It was an A+, to be honest with you. Kind of got lucky. Wait all day. This trade I did not take. This was right before our class I was about to do, and I saw this setup, but I didn't want to place it and then not know what was happening, to be honest with you. So I didn't take it. If I didn't feel 100% on it, I wasn't gonna take it. So I didn't take it. Although it would have banged. Would have bought this close off this retrace right here. That would have banged. It's okay though, because the trade we got was right here. Exactly what we wanted to see. This red line is the 0.786 on the fib. So we saw it reach halfway, bounced all the way back down to this lowest fair value gap, which is what I talked about in another video. Then it's skyrocketing. Did we have an SMT? 12. Hold on. Right there. No SMT. What am I yapping about? Anyway, I started blasting off. I was looking for an entry. 'Cause I was still like only like break even, I think. So it broke through this important level, which I had already rejected off twice. So I knew this was going to be important. If it broke through this, I was going to long. So it did. And then we waited for this retrace. Got back at the half. I put it at the halfway. Perfect entry. This was not right here. This was like probably down there. Because my stop loss is 860, and then I move it up. So yeah, perfect entry. I knew this was gonna bang. So about at this level, once it got up to here, I put in another contract. So it was originally one contract, and then I put in another one, which is a strategy that I'm going to use from now on, because I can minimize my risk and maximize my profits. If I take the trade and it starts going bad, right, I have more room to play with the stop loss. Although I'm not going to play with it, just I'll lose less money, because it'll only be one contract instead of two. If I bought two here and it went down, that'd be a lot more, or the stop loss would have to be a lot shorter. Gives me a little bit more leeway. And then once it starts going up, I feel confident enough I can put in another contract, which is what I did here. This was I think it was a $1,200 trade. I think it was 1,200. So yeah, I mean, we banged this trade, and then I got off for the day. Very good entry here. Overall, I'll say like 4 to 5 stars, because I did take I got antsy, which I gotta stop doing. Got antsy, want to take a trade. I'm like, ooh, this might be good. I don't think it was this one. Well, it turns out I did take a trade here. Yeah, I think this was a trade right here, actually. I think I bought somewhere right here. And yeah, I think it was right here, actually. I bought right here to go up to this level right here. The highs. Well, I guess not. We already went to the highs. No need for that. I don't know what I was thinking here, but I bought right here. And then it went up pretty high, and then started retracing. I didn't feel comfortable with it. I think it almost hit my stop loss, and then I was like, oh, I got lucky, didn't hit it. It went up, and then I broke even on the trade. So that was a terrible trade. While they're trying to go for highs when we just hit highs here. Yeah, it was a good save. Terrible trade, but at least I saved it. Didn't take this trade. Took this trade. Banged this trade. You got to make an extra $200 now, but it's, yeah, that's a lot, but we'll take it. And yeah, let's get rid of all this and do a quick plan for tomorrow. Okay, so dang, we're just dumping, bro. We are just dumping. Alright, so we have a pretty clear trend right here. I don't know if this is important. It looks like that's an pretty important level right there. Honestly, with the reciprocal tariff stuff, I'm gonna just say just short. I mean, today should have been a short day, obviously. My bias was shorts going into the day, and I'm just gonna play it off whatever I was given. Yeah, I'm just gonna say short. I'm just gonna say short at tomorrow. I mean, this is only till 4. Hold on, let's go to a. This is gonna be behind, but let's go to a 5-minute. All right, so there's that trend that I just pointed out. Wait. Oh, it's the weekend. I'm such an idiot, bro. Such an idiot. Of course it's not doing it. It's the weekend, bro. It's Friday afternoon. What am I thinking? Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna say keep going short. Obviously there's some liquidity up here that wants to be taken out. I mean, all this is gonna want to taken out. I just don't think it's gonna happen. Let's go to a 30-minute. Okay, it's just dropping. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, bro. What is this? Oh my gosh. February to April. How many points is that? Is that 20,000 points? 22%? Wait. That can't be right. That's still so much. Anyway. We're screwed. And, we're going to come back strong Monday, though. We're going to pass the challenge next week. We are going to pass next week. Patiently, though. We're going to be patient. Yeah. See y'all later.